Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. BlackRock met with SEC officials to discuss spot Bitcoin ETF. Next, money will flood into Bitcoin when an ETF is approved, says ex-New York Stock Exchange president. Also, new Binance CEO Richard Teng pitches very strong foundation to skeptics. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: BlackRock met with SEC officials to discuss spot Bitcoin ETF. Representatives from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission also met with Grayscale on November 20th in the asset manager's bid for listing a Bitcoin ETF. Representatives from BlackRock and the NASDAQ met with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to discuss the proposed rule allowing the listing of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF. According to a November 20th SEC memo, BlackRock provided a presentation detailing how the firm could use an in-kind or in-cash redemption model for its iShares Bitcoin Trust. It's unclear how SEC officials responded to the two proposed models, or if they intend to approve a spot BTC ETF after numerous delays and rejections. Many reports have suggested the SEC could be nearing a decision on a spot Bitcoin ETF for listing on U.S. markets. If approved, it would be one of the most significant positive trends toward mainstream crypto adoption. SEC officials also met with Grayscale representatives on November 20th in the firm's bid for listing a Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock is one of many firms with spot crypto ETF applications in the SEC pipeline awaiting a response, including Fidelity, WisdomTree, Invesco Galaxy, Valkyrie, Van Eck, and Bitwise. The asset management company first applied for listing a spot Bitcoin ETF in June on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. A video of SEC Chair Gary Gensler from 2019 resurfaced in October, in which he criticized the Commission's inconsistent approach to spot Bitcoin products. It's unclear whether the SEC chair will get behind efforts for crypto-linked investment vehicles, but the Commission has previously approved ETFs tied to Bitcoin and Ether futures. Our next top headline: money will flood into Bitcoin when an ETF is approved, says ex-New York Stock Exchange president. The New York Stock Exchange's former leader is now spearheading Bullish, a crypto exchange focused on regulatory compliance. The former president of the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, is bullish on a Bitcoin ETF, claiming that money will flood into the industry when such a product is approved in the United States. Now serving as CEO of crypto trading platform Bullish, Tom Farley argued on Tuesday that Bitcoin is a legitimate store of value despite its volatility. Getting a Bitcoin ETF approved. In an interview with CNBC, Farley highlighted how Bitcoin is the only crypto asset universally recognized as a non-security among U.S. regulators, a fact that could make regulators more willing to approve an ETF for the asset. Money will flood into the industry with a Bitcoin ETF. It's just easy to buy it, said Farley. People believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great invention. Roughly a dozen asset managers, including BlackRock, Fidelity, and Franklin Templeton, are racing to be the first to launch a Bitcoin spot ETF in the United States. The Securities and Exchange Commission is yet to approve one, but recent discussions with the agency show that applicants are making steady progress. The SEC's final deadline to approve or deny one of the applications, the ARC21 shares Bitcoin ETF, is on January 10th, by which some bulls believe ETF approval is nearly guaranteed. Others think an Ethereum spot ETF could be approved shortly afterward, as BlackRock and others have recently submitted filings for. Farley, however, said he is less optimistic on the immediacy of an approval in November or December compared to other crypto bulls due to the SEC's hardline stance on non-Bitcoin cryptos likely being securities. Securities, at least in the United States, need to trade on a nationally recognized exchange, he explained. They do not today, and I think these two issues at the moment are interwoven. NYSE President's Crypto Exchange. Farley said that his crypto exchange, Bullish, offers trading for 25 compliant coins and is focused on regulatory oversight and approval, unlike its rivals. Most of the legacy exchanges are caught up in criminal investigations, massive civil investigations, and are in a state of non-compliance, he said. The winning exchanges are going to be trusted. They're going to be compliant. Major crypto exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase, are currently facing lawsuits from the SEC for operating an unregistered securities exchange with numerous tokens trading on each platform, allegedly qualifying as investment contracts. Our next top headline, new Binance CEO Richard Teng pitches very strong foundation to skeptics. Teng's tenure will focus on three aspects of the business as CEO: reinstating investor confidence, collaborating with regulators, and driving Web3 adoption, he said. Amid ongoing confusion, uncertainty, and rumors around the recent departure of Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, as Binance CEO, his replacement, Richard Teng, took to X in an attempt to boost investor confidence. Soon after CZ announced he was stepping down, Binance critics on X shared their opinions on what lies ahead for the crypto exchange. While some sought details on the source of funds for CZ's and Binance's legal proceedings and settlement, which exceed $4 billion in total, others claimed mistrust due to discrepancies in Binance's previously shared Proof of Reserves, or POR. Coinbase Director Connor Grogan estimates that Binance will pay off the hefty fines imposed by the United States Department of Justice, or DOJ, without selling any crypto assets. The fundamentals of our business are very strong, reassured Teng, as he reposted Grogan's analysis. He said the crypto exchange generates robust revenues and profits despite low platform fees. In his introductory X post as Binance's new CEO, Teng stated that the foundation on which Binance stands today is stronger than ever. For starters, Teng said he will focus on three aspects of the business: reinstating investor confidence, collaboration with regulators, and driving Web3 adoption. For CZ, passing on the CEO torch to Binance's former global head of regional markets seemed a natural progression of the company's evolution. With Richard and the entire team, I'm confident that the best days for Binance and the crypto industry lay ahead, he said in his exit note. CZ further confirmed his plans to remain associated with Binance as a shareholder, adding, "I will remain available to the team to consult as needed, consistent with the framework set out in our U.S. agency resolutions." CZ said he is interested in mentoring startup entrepreneurs and will also focus on decentralized finance, or DeFi, initiatives. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.